Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy's Workshop. Anybody can be a star on YouTube. Projectus interruptus. Or what happens when you're stalled on projects? You're waiting for parts on this one. You're waiting for materials for that one. Need a machine for this one. This one, you don't even have an idea what you want to think about trying to do to it. Right? Nothing you want to do that you can do with what you've got. Waiting for stuff, right? Projectus interruptus. Yeah. Don't get discouraged. Take the time to think. Sit down in your easy chair with a sketch pad and pencil. Let that fervid imagination flow onto the paper. All right? Or, yeah. Make plans. Clean up. That's the hardest one of all. Clean up in the shop. Seems to be only the most seriously assisted can keep a clean shop. Yeah. Network with other tubers. Take this time to check out what other tubers are doing. Maybe along a line you've been thinking on. Steal ideas. Gather inspiration. Yes, we don't steal ideas anymore. We gather inspiration. And I try and gather inspiration from all the best. So if you see part of your work in what I do, thank you.
Honcho, shut up.
Anyway, Poppy's gonna go now. This is a continuation of Anyone Can Be a Star on YouTube. Projectus interruptus. And I mentioned don't get discouraged, you know. And when your family don't want to be on YouTube, but they want to interfere with you recording, they got to make noise. They got to get right in your camera shot. Oh, well, I'm interfering. Ah. Yeah. Don't lose your temper. Second continuation of... This is the second continuation of Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube. You want to successfully record for YouTube, take your camera and get the fuck away from your family. That's why guys go out to the shop and the phone, no. No family, no phone, just you and the shop. And that's it. Family, phones, gonna fuck up your shots all the time.